Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Carolyn right here. Today I'm going to be doing something really exciting. Today I'm going to be playing with my hair. And I upload videos every single week. If you don't know who I am, I upload videos about beauty, lifestyle, and of course about my hair. If you don't want to miss any of those videos, do not forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, if you want to see more videos like this one, do not forget to like this video. And without further ado, let's just get started, shall we? Today we're going to be using this mask, the miracle mask as they call it. It's this Indian healing clay mask and basically is good for everything. I'm going to be using it not only on my face but also in my hair, so let's see how that goes. And this is how it looks like. We're going to mix equal parts of the clay with apple cider vinegar, and this is the apple cider vinegar that I like to use. Is the organic one with the mother. So technically what I did was I followed the instruction and I did half of the healing clay with half of the apple cider. However, I like a thicker consistency, so what I did was that I went back and added more to the mixture of the healing clay. So I got it to my preferred thickness. I'm gonna start applying the clay in my hair. Hopefully I don't make a big mess, because I don't want to dirty my bed. Actually, let me move a little bit more forward before I end up making a big mess. But anyways, I'm gonna start with my hair. I'm gonna put the clay on it and then I'm gonna move on to my face. The footage of me putting the mask on, but what I did was I just applied some in my face as well, and I left it in for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is how it looked. I just washed my face. So you guys, I'm back. I already washed my hair, took all that clay out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some lotion in my face because I feel that is really dry. So I'm back and I just put all the products that I usually put in my hair, and let me tell you, my hair is loving this mask. Set of my face, I know I have a pimple right here, but ignore that. It's not like it's gonna go away from the first time I used this mask. My face feels cleansed and it feels really, really, really nice. I just applied a little bit of moisturizer because it's going to feel really, really, really dry after you take the mask out. I mean, it's doing a deep cleansing on your face. It has to feel really dry. But I just went ahead and moisturized my face. Moving on to my hair really liked it as well. And let me tell you, this goes for anything, not only for this mask. Yes, you will see a little bit of results, but if you want to see wow results, you need to keep using the mask. Like, use it once a week, twice a week, use it, and you will see better results. Obviously, with one day that you use it, it's not going to be like a wow, damn, look at all these results. No, that's not how it works. That's not, nothing works, okay? However, it is really nice. My curls are loving it. Like, my curls look so good right now. I can't. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse it a little bit and I'll be back. So, this diffusing thing is not gonna work. I gotta go and it's taking too long, but you can see that my hair looks healthy and it looks good and my curls like it. So this is all for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe down below and like it if you like this video and would like to see more videos like this one. And see you on the next one, shall we? Bye.